This is video 107. It's going to go over the action of swap and the action of sum. Here it sets A to 1, B to 2, C to 0. Then it's going to go around the loop for I equals 0. And down here at the next we see add 1 to I until it gets to 5. When it enters the loop, it sets the value at offset I to I. Well, the first time it's 0, so it's going to set offset 0 to 0. And each time it goes around, it's going to set a value to its own offset. Then it's going to add to C each one of the values. Then it's going to swap A and B, and then it's halting right at the end of the loop. Well, let's go execute this application. We're going to turn on the trail. We want to see the data. Let's advance to the first halt. Well, here it's at the first halt. Well, A got set to 1 and B was set to 2, but down here they swapped. So now A is 2 and B is 1. Inside the loop, value at offset 0 was set to 0. Next time it goes around the loop, value at offset 1 will be set to 1. And that's the way it will continue all the way through. Also, each time it goes around, it's going to add to C the value that it created. Well, let's just advance through the loop and see what the result is. Right now, I is 0. We're going to advance. I is 1. I is 2. I is 3. I is 4. I is 5. That is the last value it's going to do, because it went around the loop until I got to 5. There. Now we're going to advance one more time. But first look, C's total is 15. We're going to advance to the ending halt. Before it gets to it, it says, sum the 6 values at value and put them in D. Well, value is a work list, and we can look at the data. So we're going to click on work lists. Here they are. Here's the one called value. We click on value. At offset 0 is 0, at offset 1 is 1, at offset 2 is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, this instruction said sum all 6 of them up and put the result in D. So if we go back again, we'll see that D is 15. So with C, each one was added one at a time, but with D, it summed up the whole group. Alright, that's the end of video 107.